All right, so you're thinking about starting to sew, or you're a beginner and you're starting to accumulate sewing equipment and products and haberdasheries, etc. Here are 5 tips to basically start off with some basic items that you're going to be needing. Sewing is an expensive hobby, so you need to invest wisely. So get yourself a good sewing machine, a good overlocker that you know that's not going to frustrate the hell out of you, where it keeps on losing its tension, the thread keeps snapping. So you need to look at, number 1 would be a good sewing machine and overlocker. Secondly would be good threads. Third thing would be is obviously a couple of packs of needles, different size needles that you can experiment with as you sew in different types of materials to make your garments. So that's the basic sort of like trims and stuff you're going to be needing that goes with your sewing machine, like good cotton, good needles, etc. Okay, so a pack of different sizes. But now we're going to be shifting on to your patterns. I would suggest to start off with basic patterns, like a basic trouser pattern, a basic pencil skirt or an A-line pattern, or a basic kind of top or a shirt, depending on what it is that you wear more of. Maybe start with maybe just a collarless type of shirt, perhaps with a dolman sleeve or a cap sleeve. Something with the dolman sleeve that's all connected in one until you learn how to put in a set sleeve. But the basic patterns is something that you can experiment with, and you know these are basic items that you can add into your wardrobe that you can wear with the rest of your wardrobe. The other thing would be is the fabrics. I suggest, if you're not sure yet what fabrics to choose, is okay, look at the pattern and follow the suggested fabrics. That would give you a very good guideline until you have more experience and confidence and knowledge in fabric that you want to purchase. Because fabric can become quite expensive. Because remember, now you've got the machine, you've got your threads, you've got your needles, you're buying the patterns, you're buying fabric. It does accumulate with the expenses. So, hi, this is Tania Sutherland. So if you like what I'm sharing with you, please give me a thumbs up, a share, and subscribe, so I can actually share more knowledge with you around sewing for beginners, as well as turning your sewing into an absolute career as well. Being a fashion designer, I teach you so many variants of how to turn this into a business and to find the right niche for you. Let's talk about colors. Okay, so now you're going to be buying the basic pattern, fabrics to make your basic patterns, so you can start building up your little mini wardrobe and also build up your confidence in your sewing. So have a look at trousers. Okay, so what color trousers would you need to complement the rest of your wardrobe that you know that can be very versatile in wearing different styles and looks within your wardrobe with this trouser that you want to make? So you can look at neutral colors, depending on what your fashion personality style is. More colorful trousers, would you prefer more a floral print? Would you like more fitted trousers? So perhaps look for material with a bit of a stretch in it. But let's look at, all right, so the fabrics would be maybe if it's a fitted trouser with a woven mixed with spandex in, that you know if the trouser is more fitted, it's got a little bit of stretch and movability for you when you're wearing it. Or you might prefer very soft flowing pants, so look for more soft flowing type of fabric, but keep in mind the colors that you want. Tone down neutral colors and go for neutral colors when you purchase the fabric for your trousers. If you're looking at pencil skirts, you might make more than one, or you might make an A-line, a pencil skirt, different sort of lengths. Have a look at what colors you can complement into your existing wardrobe, and that you know that these colors, you've already got existing garments in your wardrobe that will complement the fabric that you're going to be purchasing, because most of the time we only wear 20% of what's in our wardrobe. The reason being is either we've bought badly or made badly in the sense of the wrong fabrics, or you've got nothing else to wear it with, so that you don't know how to create a look or a style. So have a look at what you can mix and match before you even go and buy the material. So tip number 5 would be to plan your sewing. Go through your wardrobe, have a look at the colors that you've already got. Have a look at your tops, for instance, and say to yourself, okay, I perhaps need some bottoms to go with my tops. I need some skirts or trousers that I can, or shorts or Bermudas or capris that I can wear with the tops and the jackets that I have in my wardrobe. Have a look at your pants. So perhaps you've got a couple of pairs of pants that you're not really wearing because you don't have tops that are the right design or the right style that you can wear with your pants. So planning is essential. I do have a planning your sewing in the link down below. I've also got a ready-to-wear wardrobe which explains to you exactly how to look at your lifestyle, what areas of your lifestyle, what type of clothing that you will need, how to go through your wardrobe, how to detox the wardrobe, how to recycle, refashion the wardrobe, and how to add extra garments into your wardrobe to create that versatile, absolute working wardrobe for you, that you're wearing clothes that you absolutely love and enjoy wearing, and you're actually wearing the clothes in your wardrobe. So planning your wardrobe is selecting the right pattern, you're going back to your basics, selecting the right color and the right fabric for that particular style, and knowing that it can be worn with the rest of your wardrobe. If you want to bring in a new color into your wardrobe, make sure that the new color can be worn with existing garments and items in your wardrobe, or plan a new mini wardrobe around the new color that you're going to be making. So you're making a basic skirt, a basic jacket, a basic top to go with this particular color, that you bring in more elements of this color into your wardrobe that you can wear with the existing colors. Well, I hope that's given you some sort of ideas of how to plan your sewing and to be a little bit more organized with your new sewing project, especially if you're a newbie in sewing. I will also create a video of all the things that you will need in your sewing room or your sewing area as you are busy growing your sewing experience and knowledge, and what you will be needing and how to go ahead from this point onwards, become more organized in your sewing to make your life a lot easier and also to save money along the way. So this is Tania Sutherland from Stitching Studio.